up, step right up, step right up. Everyone's a winner, bargains galore. That's right, you too can be a proud owner of a quality goes in before the name goes on. 1/10 of a dollar, 1/10 of a dollar. We got service after sales. You need perfume, we've got perfume. How about an engagement ring for the little lady? Something for the little lady. 3 for a dollar. We got an Indian clearance. We got the white sale. We get smoke damaged furniture. You can drive it away today. Act now and receive your gift, our gift to you. They come in all colours, one size fits all. No fuss, no muss, no spills. You're tired of kitchen drudgery. Everything must go. Going out of business, going out of business, going out of business. Sale 50% off original retail price. Skip the middleman. Don't settle for less. How do we do it? How do we do it? Volume. Turn up the volume. Now you've heard it advertised. Don't hesitate. Don't be caught with your drawers down. Don't be caught with your drawers down. You can step right up. Step right up. That's right. It's fillet, it chops, it dices, it slices, it never stops. Lasts a lifetime. Mows your lawn. It mows your lawn and picks up the kids from school. It gets rid of unwanted facial hair. It gets rid of embarrassing age spots. It delivers pizza and it lengthens and it strengthens and it finds that slipper that's been at large under the chaise lounge for several weeks. And it plays a mean rhythm master. It makes excuses for unwanted lipstick on your collar. And it's only a dollar. Step right up. It's only a dollar. Step right up, cause it forges your signature. If not completely satisfied, mail back unused portion of product for complete refund of price of purchase. Step right up. Please allow 30 days for delivery. Don't be fooled by cheap imitations. You can live in it, laugh in it, love in it, swim in it, sleep in it, live in it, swim in it, laugh in it, love in it. It removes embarrassing stains from contour sheets. That's right. And it entertains visiting relatives. It turns a sandwich into a banquet. Tired of being the life of the party? Change your shorts, change your life, change your life, change into a 9-year-old Hindu boy. Get rid of your wife, it walks the dog, it doubles on sacks, and you can jump back, Jack. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator. It steals your car and gets rid of your gambling debts. It quits smoking. It's your friend, it's your companion, and it's the only product you will ever need. Follow these easy assembly instructions. It never needs arming. Well, it takes the weight off hips, bust, thighs, chin, midriff, gives you dandruff, and it finds you a job. It is a job, and it strips the phone company, takes 10 to 5 exchange, and it gives you denture breath, and you don't know this is even your friend, and it's a companion that gets rid of your traveler's checks. It's new, it's improved, it's old-fashioned. Well, it takes care of business, never needs winding. Never needs winding, never needs winding. Gets rid of blackheads, the heartache of sclerosis. Christ, you don't know the meaning of heartbreak, buddy. Come on. Cause it's effective, it's defective, it creates household odors, it disinfects, it sanitizes for your protection, it gives you an erection, it wins the election. Why put up with painful columns any longer? It's redeemable coupon, no obligation, no salesman will visit your home. We've got a jackpot, prizes, all were guaranteed. How do we do it? We need your business. We're going out of business. We'll give you the business. Get on the business end of going out of business sale. Receive our free brochure. Read the easy to follow assembly instructions. Batteries not included. Send before midnight tomorrow. Terms available. Step right up. You got it, buddy. The large print given, the small print taketh away. Step right up. You can step right up. Come on, step right up. Get away from me, kid. Don't you bother me. Step right right up, step right up, step right up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, step right up. You can step right up. Come on, step right up. Come on, step right up. Come on, step right up.